Credit spreads, 0DTE credit spreads. This is one of my favorite strategies to trade. I've been trading credit spreads for many, many years. So this is what my, it's my bread and butter. So I made an indicator for that credit spread. Again, we have our trend filter here. So if I like to look at my trend filter before I enter a trade, I see that the trend is going up. So I'm only going to play plays that are bullish to go with that trend. For this video, we'll go ahead and just hide that for right now so you can see kind of all the cool features that the credit spread indicator does. So I will show the back test table here, and we'll look at the last 500 days of trading. And I'm looking at signals that are at or above 0% right now. So basically I want to see all signals. Okay. And this is, I'm not going to show any signals for the last 1 hour of the market just because it's crazy volatile and the credit that you get is just not worth it for there. And I'm going to go with just one contract right now. And what if I just held it to the end of the day close? I didn't wait for a stop loss. I just said, you know what, I'm going to enter it in and just whatever happens, happens. So here's kind of our back test. It'll show in the last 500 trading days, there's been 182 signals for put credit spreads, 134 for call credit spreads, 252 wins and only 59 losses. So an 81% win rate. So if just one contract in the last 500 trading days, you would have made about $10,975. So pretty good entries on that one. Me personally, I don't like taking trades that are 30% or lower. Actually, I like doing about 51% because I like to be just a little bit above that 50%. And so we'll see how that plays out. So as you can see, my win rate goes up just a little bit. I'm taking fewer trades, but they're confident, more confident trades. So here today, as the market is chugging along right now, we don't have a signal because again, it was not within our parameters of 51% or higher. But we can see that when the market does move, that when it is 51% or higher, our signals are much stronger, much more confident. You can also, this is the clean chart version. You can also, if you want to see all the information right there on the chart, you can flip it to that version. So you can see here at this day, it was a 60% confidence towards the end of the day. And you can see, it worked out. This was 70% confidence towards the beginning of the day. And that was a beautiful trending day, well above our stop loss line here for that trade. This diagonal stop loss is kind of an interesting feature. So this, I call it the dynamic diagonal. So that's that white line there. What that basically is saying is, hey, this is my entry right here. This is my stop loss. I need price to be above this line the entire time in order for me to be profitable. So as you can see throughout the day, here, I'll go to the clean chart so you can not see the label. So you can see throughout the day, it kind of hits that line. So you can ask yourself, am I going to close out if a candle closes below this? It kind of gives me an early heads up of, hey, it might be time to close out this position. And just like with all my alerts or all my indicators, you can set alerts on this. So you can set alerts for credit spread, taking profit or stop loss on either one.